Okay. Madam, now Srilata madam is saying all of you check your sentences. If your sentence is correct,
Ma'am,
make a
question
tick
and
mark.
answers
Question
చెప్పాలా
and
ma'am?
answers, madam. Question and answers. Okay?
Okay ma'am.
So all of you
Do you
make a
speak
tick mark.
English regularly?
Madam, 1 minute, Srilata madam. Make a tick mark, madam. And Srilata madam, up to I say correct,
Okay.
wait. One sentence after, wait. If I say correct, then continue. Done. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Do you speak English regularly?
Correct.
Yes, I speak English regularly.
Yeah.
Does Ramu go to school?
Madam, where is
usually?
negative sentence?
Ma'am?
Negative sentence, madam.
No, I don't speak English regularly.
Yes, correct. All of you make right mark if your sentences are correct, madam. Okay? Next.
Correct, madam.
Yes. Okay. Next, madam. I'll ask you at last. Okay, Srilata, madam.
Does Ramu go to school usually?
Yes.
Ramu go to school usually.
Wrong. Why it is wrong? Anyone?
Ramu goes to school, madam.
Yes,
goes
Ramu
to school.
goes
Yes,
to
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Goes to school.
Yes, correct.
Ramu
Negative.
doesn't go to school usually.
Correct, madam.
Will they shift to room next month?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Tell me.
They will shift to room next month.
Okay.
They want to shift to room next month.
Yes, correct.
Did Sita watch movie yesterday? Sita watched movie yesterday.
Yes.
Sita didn't watch movie yesterday.
Didn't watched. Is correct, madam?
Watch, madam. Watch, madam.
Yes.
Watch, ma'am.
Yes.
Watch.
Yeah. You are right. Next.
Have you finished dinner regularly?
No, not regularly. Already.
Already.
Yes, ma'am.
I have finished dinner already. I haven't finished dinner already.
Okay, good. Now same sentences saying by Archana madam. మేడం ఎంత ఫాస్ట్గా చెప్తారో చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు. మేడం.
Do you speak English regularly? Yes, I speak English regularly.
Yes.
I don't speak English regularly.
Correct.
Does Ramu go to school usually? Ramu goes to school usually. Ramu doesn't go to school usually.
Okay, good. Next, M. Srilata madam. Just a moment, madam. Archana madam. Next question by M. Srilata madam.
Okay, madam. Okay, madam. Will they shift house next month? They will shift house next month. They want to shift house next month.
Correct, madam.
Next,
Swapna madam.
Do you speak English? I speak English regularly. I don't speak regularly.
Yes, correct. Aparna madam.
Does Ramu go to school generally, usually? Yes, Ramu goes to school usually.
Go to school
No,
or goes to
doesn't.
school, madam?
Goes to.
Ramu goes to school. Goes to school usually. No, doesn't Ramu go to school?
Ramu doesn't or doesn't Ramuna?
Ramu doesn't, madam.
Yes, madam. Don't get confused. Okay, right.
Ramu.
Ramu?
Will their ship house next month? There will ship to house next month. There won't to house next month.
Yes, correct. Good. Did
Sita watch movie yesterday? Sita watched movie yesterday. Sita watched movie yesterday.
Sita didn't watch movie yesterday. You
Didn't
have to
watch
underline.
movie
So
yesterday.
అలా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి అంటే guys, you have to underline up to verb form. Up to verb you have to underline. Have you shifted? Have you shifted? I have shifted. I haven't shifted. Did you go? I went. I didn't go. Up to verb form you have to underline. Then check those verb forms. Then you won't get confused. Okay? Good everyone. Nice.